Welcome to our channel. If you want to permanently delete your Scribd account, follow these simple steps to cancel your subscription and remove your data. Step 1. Log into your Scribd account by going to Scribd.com and entering your email and password. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Subscription and Billing section to first cancel your active subscription before deleting your account. Step 4. Click on Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts to stop any recurring charges. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing period. Step 5. After canceling your subscription, scroll down in the Settings page to find the Account or Privacy section. Step 6. Look for the option to Delete Account or Close Account. Click on this option to begin the account deletion process. Step 7. Scribd will ask you to confirm that you want to permanently delete your account. Read the warning about losing all saved documents and reading history. Step 8. Enter your password to verify your identity and confirm that you want to permanently delete your Scribd account. Step 9. Click the final confirmation button to complete the deletion process. You will receive a confirmation email once your account has been permanently removed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.